So 24 costochondral joints. As we know, we have 12 ribs on each side. Each of these ribs, without exception, all contain a costal cartilage at the end. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then even this rib over here. I know you can't see it clearly, but it also has a costal cartilage at the end here. And the same thing with rib number 12 over here. It also has a costal cartilage at the end here. So that's 12 on one side, 12 on the other. That's 24 costochondral joints. So let's use the anatomical name for this, 62 costovertebral joints. Okay, now we have 6 interchondral joints. Now, what are interchondral joints? Interchondral joints are the ones between these costal cartilages amongst each other. So the 6th rib over here has a joint right here. The 7th and 8th, the 8th and 9th. So we consider, just for your information, we consider this as one joint. How much is that now? 1, 2, 3. And the same thing on this side. 1, 2, 3. The reason why we consider this as one joint is because not every person has this hole over here. Some people may, some people may not. But in general, we consider it, we're talking about these fibrous joints. We're talking about these cartilaginous joints. Correction, that is a synovial plane joint. So next we have 8 interchondral joints. So we have 3 of these between the 6th, 7th, and the 7th and 6th rib have one joint. The 8th and 7th rib have one joint. The 9th and 8th rib have one joint. Now these 3 are synovial plane joints. There's another joint over here between the 10th and 9th rib. This is a fibrous joint. But all you need to remember here right now is that we have 4 joints here and 4 joints here. That gives us a total of 8 interchondral joints. 8 interchondral joints. Okay, let's move on. So we also have 14 sternocostal joints. So that's very easy to count because from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, only 7 ribs articulate with the sternum on each side. So we have 14 sternocondral joints. 14 sternocostal joints. And then, of course, we have 2 sternoclavicular joints. One here and one here. One manubriosternal joint. So let's write that over here. So let's count that in total. How much do we have now? 62 plus 13 plus 24 plus 8 plus 14 plus 2 plus 1 plus 1. How much does that give us? So altogether we have 125 joints. There you have it. 125 joints in the thorax.